Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this presentation, I wanna show my experience internship for 3 months in PT TSSI, PT Tri-Saudara Sentosa. Okay, before I explain my experience, I wanna show I wanna show my I wanna show anything I wanna talk about in this presentation when I internship. First, introduce to about company. 3. Practice implementation. 4. Practice implementation. 5. Closing. Uh, the, in this chapter, there are several points in this chapter. Okay. First, in chapter 1, introduce. In in this chapter, I wanna discuss background. Technology is tool, machine, method, process, activity, or idea that is made to facilitate home human activities in everyday life. Humans use technology in the fields of communication, learning, transportation, business, manufacturing, data security, and so on. In the era of globalization, many advanced technologies are very helpful for human life. Technology will become more advanced and sophisticated with various innovations and discoveries in the field of science and technology. Technology facilitates various sectors of life, such as education, health, business, to security. Okay, yang poin purpose and benefit internship. First, improve student competence in training skill in the world of work, especially in the IT division. 2. Profit provide experience to the world of work as part of the educational process. 3. Prepare quality human research according to the demands of the time in the era of information and communication technology. 4. Produce workers who have professional expertise their fields in their field. Okay, in in chapter 2, I wanna in chapter 2 in point PTTSSI history is PTTSSI Saudara Sentosa Industri is a company engaged in mold maker and plastic injection molding for the needs of the automotive and electronic industry. Founded in 1994 in North Jakarta and now has two factories, namely in the Kapuk Raya area, in the Newton Techno Park area, and the Delta Silicon Industry, Lippo Cikarang. My internship, Bekasi, which is located on Areka Block F17 No 3 Delta Silicon Trail Lippo Cikarang Bekasi West Java 17550. Okay, now we I wanna explain PTTSSI organizational structure. First, there is Peter Sutanto as the director, Henry Sutanto as director, and Takina Rudi as the director, and Mr. Hero as a manager, and there is Mr. Zainal as a IT manager. Okay, vision and mission PT TSSI is first. I wanna explain a vision to become a company engaged in the mold maker and practice injection molding sector for the needs of the automotive and electronic industries that are of high quality and meet customer statutory requirement. Okay, two mission. There are 4 points in the mission. First, strive to continuously in order to reduce the risks posed to efficient and effective production process as well as safe and control. 3. Keep promise in customer satisfaction. 4. Have a work ethic such as discipline, responsible, honest, and loyal. Okay, in chapter 3 or third tier basis, there is 3 points. First, IT support, finance, and programmer. Okay, IT support. IT support is a technician who plays a role in evaluating and improving three main objects of of enterprise technology, namely computer, software, and network system development. What are the responsibilities of it IT support is 1. Make sure all computer are usable. 2. Make sure our computer are connected to the network. 3. Make sure all application can be used and run smoothly. 3. Store all data on the computer used by the user. 4. Create a technical report by means of documentation. Okay. 2. Point 2 is finance. Finance is a science related to how to manage so that the condition is always stable and not lacking or excess. The purpose of having finance is first, channeling funds, 2. Managing company profits, 3. Submit policy. Okay, and point 3 is programmer. Programmer is a type of profession or job that aims to create a system using a programming language. A person who has the skill to write program code, commonly called syntax, and design system, can also be called a programmer. The programmer job is 1. Analyze company needs, 2. Design and model systems such as UML, flowchart, ERD, 3. Write program code like PHP, PHP, Ruby, JavaScript, and etc. 4. Debugging the program. 5. Test the program. Okay, now now we enter chapter 4 and we will discuss about practice, time, and place. During the 3 months I internship, I was placed at PTTSSI PTTSSI, which is located in Delta Silicon, Central Cikarang, Bekasi. For work, hours are from Monday to Tuesday, from 8 to 17. As well as free day, I enter from 80 to 17 and 30. Uh, sorry. For tools, uh, as for the tools, it depends on where I am placed. Like if I was placed in IT support, I need a hand blower. If I place in programming, I need laptop. If I place in finance, I need time. Okay, supporting in and inhibiting factor. I wanna expand the support first. Supportive factor is very supportive equipment facilities. Two, there is a prayer room for worship. Three, people are fun and friendly. In and two, inhibiting factor. The room for the intern is separated from the IT staff room there, so they are less able to mingle with other staff. Okay. In in chapter this I wanna expand. During internship, I only do 5 activities. First, learn on my own or solo learn, like this in in the picture. Like if I have free time, I study Ruby, copywriting, copywriting, JavaScript, and others. Okay, two, uh, TD up and voice documents, and three, labeling for storage box. Four, maintenance PC. Five, creating a website for a company. An example would be like this. Okay, thank you for my uh, for my for my explain just be like this. Okay, thank you. My conclusion after this internship is I know what my weakness and my skill are. Best are besides that it can make it easier for me to get a job after graduation. Okay, I have suggestion about this internship. First, filling in the daily journal should be done routinely every day so as not to pile up work. Two, it is recommended that students choose a place of internship that is in accord with their field of the expertise.